Welcome medicos. Let's have the quiz today. The quiz is on viral hepatitis. We'll be seeing the different types of questions, different types of MCQs which are probable for this topic. Let's begin. Question 1. Which of the following is a DNA virus? Option A, hepatitis A. Option B, hepatitis B. Option C, hepatitis C. Or option D, hepatitis D. We have to say DNA virus. The correct answer is hepatitis B virus. Next question. Fecal-oral route of transmission is seen in option A, hepatitis A, option B, hepatitis B, option C, hepatitis C, or option D, hepatitis D. The correct answer is hepatitis A. You can pause the video to think the answer. Coming to the next question. Which of the following is not an enveloped virus? That is a non-enveloped virus. Option A, hepatitis B. Option B, hepatitis C. Option C, hepatitis D. Or option D, hepatitis E. The correct answer is hepatitis E. Question 4. Which of the following statement is not true for hepatitis A virus? Option A. It is a vaccine preventable communicable disease of liver. It belongs to Picornaviridae family. It has no specific antiviral drug available. It is an enveloped virus. The correct answer is, you can pause the video if you want some time to think. The correct answer is option D. It is a non-enveloped virus like hepatitis E. Question 5. The first marker to be elevated following hepatitis B infection is option A, HBsAg, option B, HBeAg, option C, HBcAg, or option D, anti-HBsAg. The correct answer is option A, HBsAg. It is the first marker to be elevated following hepatitis B infection. Question 6. Which of the following is known as Australia antigen? Option A, HBsAg, option B, HBeAg, option C, HBV-DNA, or option D, HBcAg. Australia antigen. The correct answer is HBsAg. Question for this part. World Hepatitis Day is celebrated on option A, 15th of May, option B, 18th of June, option C, 25th of September, or option D, 28th of July. Have a guess? The correct answer is option B, 28th of July. So comment your score. We'll get back to you soon. Thank you.